Welcome viewers to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. In this episode, we are still continuing with our lesson on GP, that is geometric progression. And this edition, we are taking the sum of the n terms of a geometric progression. We've already learned how to find the terms. We want to find the sum, simple mode, the sum of the series, which is the sum of the geometric progression. We already know that if you have a geometric progression of a first term being a common difference being r, we can generate the sequence to be ar squared, ar to the power 3, and this can continue to have the last term to be ar s minus 1. This is a series, this is a sequence. So if you have to find the sum, which will be the series, we are going to add all of them. So simply put, we already know that Sn indicate the sum of the sequence. So this is going to be A plus AR plus AR squared, AR to the power 3. We can continue adding until we get our last term to be AR n minus what? 1. We also know that in generating this GP, we know that each of the term is multiplied by what? The common ratio. So A times R give you this, AR times R, AR squared. So we can also multiply this as our first equation by the common ratio. So if you are to multiply equation 1, this is going to be Rsn or SNR equals to, if you multiply this by the first, by R, it gives you AR, as in this is going to be AR squared, AR to the power 3, then it continues in that order. Then if you come here, multiplying this by R, this is going to be a constant which is multiplying, so we can take r n minus 1 times r to the power 1, which is the indices. Now what do we do? If we are multiplying, we know we add the exponent, meaning n minus 1 plus 1 will give you only what? N. So this is going to be r exponent what? N. So in this case, since the a is a constant multiplying, I will still have a r exponent n, and that will give us our second equation. So since we have two equations simultaneously, we can solve by subtracting any of the equation from each other. So here we can have equation 1 minus equation 2, that will give us Sn minus r Sn equals to, since here I have only a, there is no a here, so we are going to have a. This is AR. They will cancel. This will also cancel since we are subtracting. This will cancel. Don't forget, there are other terms here. We'll get to this before getting to this. So that subtraction will also cancel out, leaving only this. Since we are subtracting, AR exponent what? N. Per this subtraction, since we have series of numbers being generated here, this will also take care of itself in there. But I can see a common term of A, S, N, Sn. So let's do factorization. If I factorize Sn out, I'll be left with only 1 minus R. Factorization of A into bracket, you are left with 1 minus what? R exponent what? N. But the topic is all about finding the sum, which is the Sn. So we divide through by 1 minus r to give us Sn equals to a 1 minus r exponent n all over 1 minus what? R. So we can see that if you are asked to find the sum of any GP, we can say the GP is going to be given by a as the first term into bracket 1 minus r exponent n, all divided by 1 minus what? R. This is one way. Now, somebody will say, what if I did not subtract equation 2 from equation 1, but rather subtract what? Equation 1 from equation 2. What will I get? Then we can also say that equation 2 minus equation 1, this is going to be Rsn minus what? Sn on the left hand side. Then this is going to be something which is supposed to be a common factor. Don't forget we are subtracting common factors. So let us say there is something here as in y. It will be y minus a. But since the y is not there, it will be empty space, which could be 0. 0 minus a. That will give you minus what? A. Then this minus this all will go out. After getting our a as negative, when it comes to this, it's going to be this term minus whatever term that will be there, but it doesn't have any accomplish. So it will be positive a minus whatever is there. Since that will also be taken as what? 0, we will be left with plus ar exponent what? N. We know we can still write this in a different way whereby the negative will not come first. As in Rsn equals to Arn minus what? A. As in rewriting it to eliminate the negative from being the first term. Now we can do the factorization, which could be Sn as a common factor into bracket R minus 1. Common factor will still be A R exponent N minus 1. What do? We are looking for this, so divide through by the coefficient. Sn will be equals to A as in this, Rn minus 1 over R minus 1. But you can check that the two formulas are not the same. But a student can follow this approach and another student will also follow this. How sure are we to get the same answer? So we are going to use the two formulas based on the condition that if I am here, if I have my common ratio, if this common ratio is bigger than 1, you'll be getting a negative answer. So it means in this case, you expect your common ratio to be less than what? 1. So this first formula is going to have a condition whereby R is what? Less than 1. The common ratio is less than 1 in order to get a positive value here. Don't forget here also, not to get a negative value. Then here, since the R comes first, if you are looking at this, we can also say that the common ratio is going to be bigger than 1. So in the second situation, your condition is going to be R is more than what? 1. That is, when the common ratio is more than 1, we go for this formula. When the common ratio is less than 1, as in fraction, anytime the common ratio is giving fraction or decimal, which is having 0 point, then we go for this formula. If we have this to be 1.234 in that order, we go for this. So these are the two formulas that could be used in finding the sum of a GP, the sum of the first n terms of a geometric progression. In the next episode, we will also find the sum to infinity. Don't forget, this is a finite geometric progression or sequence whereby the last term is known. What if it is infinite, whereby we don't know the last term? We will check that in the next episode. If you like this, share, like, and comment. Bye-bye.